Treasure Tuesday. Look what I found. Somebody laid it out. I got this Saturday and I scooped it up. So I am getting ready to do a refresh of this little side table. It was really dirty, rusty looking. And right now I'm just cleaning it down with a spick and span antibacteria spray. And as you see right there, that leg is damaged, and I see why they put it out. But no worries, because Kel is going to fix that. It won't be in this video. This video is just cleaning it and getting the first 2 coats of spray paint on it. Alright, so I'm getting ready to use white spray paint. It's only 97 cents at Walmart. That's the brand. Sorry that you can't see it. And then I have the spray can nozzle. I did not have that when I did the Trash to Treasure fire pit because I couldn't find it. But I found it, and it's much easier than trying to press your little fingers down on that little spray nozzle. So I do recommend purchasing one of those handheld spray attachments for your can. So I'm just layering the first coat down, and I really should have did it in the grass instead of up on my little table, my little step right there. Spray paint was just spraying all over the place. And then right here I decided that I didn't want the glass. I wanted the glass to stay like the glass part. But then I thought, nah, I'm gonna go ahead and just cover the glass. And when you see the before and after, you'll be amazed of what a little 97-cent can of spray paint can make something, look new and fresh. So I'm not going to do any more commentary in this part. I hope you enjoy it. Now, this is the first coat because I ran out of spray paint and I had to get all my PPE gear on to head to Wally World to get more spray paint. So in this clip here, you're just seeing the first coat, and I'm just going to let it dry because I do see some streaks. And at the bottom right here where I'm zooming up on, this is why they threw this out, because it was not leveled. When you take that brick off, it's not leveled. And my only purpose is to use it next to my hot tub. I put my phone and my drinks and my cigarettes or whatever on top of it. But I'm going to find a way to repair that. So maybe in the next coming weeks, you'll see how I fix the bottom of that leg right there that is damaged. But yeah, somebody laid it on outside for garbage, and I saw it, and of course I picked it up and brought it on home. Why go out and pay, $10, $15 for a side table? And I'm just utilizing it for my phone and my little stuff while I'm outside in my hot tub. And while you're here, check out my promo for Sophisticated Ladies Club. If you are not subscribed to any of these lovely ladies here on YouTube, you are missing out on great content. So check out the trailer, and don't forget to go over and subscribe to the Sophisticated Ladies Club YouTube channel and the wonderful ladies that are hosting with me on upcoming invites.